everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you an update on how I have my bedroom so far. If you're interested in seeing, keep watching, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't subscribed, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Over here, when you walk in, this is the first wall. I have this picture here, but I want to get something for right here. I'm not sure yet. So I have that there. And then this is the bathroom. And I'll be showing you both bathrooms at the same time. I have this right here, this little shelf, because I don't have nothing for here either. Because this bedroom is bigger than the one I had before. I had this in my bathroom. So I just put this here for now. And then this is my bed. I have a king size bed. This is Stormy. And I just have mirrors above it for now. And on this corner, I just have a lamp. And I don't have my mirror up yet. That mirror's not up on the wall. And I just have that right there. And then over here, I just have this little ottoman. And I have this pillow on there. And then I still don't have no curtains. Then right here I have my chase. And I just have these pillows. And I put this blanket. And I have this little mirror table. And I put those glasses, that book, and this candle. On my dresser, I just have this. Just have a little jewelry box. I have that box. I have those candle holders, a picture, a candle, and I have this vase. I don't have the mirror that goes up on the wall, so I still don't have that up either. And this is how I have my room so far.